this during the database tutorials. For now, what you need to know is that this command forces someone to do a certain action. You can target an ally or an enemy. You can then force this ally or enemy to use a certain skill. You can also choose a target.
Oh, no.
Abort battle! This is exactly what it says. Battle stops, no victory or loss is declared.
There's some bosses I wish I could do that. Abort battle!
Abort! That concludes the event commands.
Yay!
Hooray!
Loot anything? No. Oh! Oh, okay. Oh my god, that is a lot of people.
Oh, sorry. Meg. Sorry, I was looking at the forum.
I could take back over.
Here we will do some extra stuff. We will analyze some things we can do with events. I have sets of NPCs. NPC means non-playable character. It's a character that exists in the game, but the player has no control of them. Those NPCs are doing several things. We will first show how these things happen, then you can go and try out the event yourself. This is done for one reason. Many people struggle to create some events. Thus, here we will provide you some examples. These examples demonstrate several features, so let's begin. See that red-haired guy in front of you? Hi, Ralph. This is a set pic of pictures merged into one. Do not get confused. I just show you the graphic and the code on the event together. This event is set to priority, same level as character, and trigger is the action button. What do we see? The guy says a few things, then self-switch A is set on. On the same event, on the second page now, we create a condition we want to apply. If the condition is met, page 2 will run instead of page 1. Here, of course, the condition is the self-switch on. The second page is set with same graphic, but with empty event contents. Thus, the character will speak up the first time the player will use the action button, but after that, nothing will happen, as the second empty page overrides the first one. Got it?
I think so.
The next event shows a neat way to get rid of an event. It is not needed if it is not needed anymore. Erase event command. It erases the whole event, including all of its pages. This event lies. The switch name is Super. Let's see how the second page of this event is set up.
I have one switch named Super setting it up. So what do you think Super does?
He goes Super Saiyan, obviously.
What if it's supersonic?
Well, I don't see any gold hair, so I'm...
Yeah, either way, right?
The second page is different. See? What was that?
Oh, metamorphosis.
Oh my god!
This event will be executed, then the character will disappear. The second page will have no graphic, so the disappearance will be possible, but the priority will be set same level as character.
I don't know One Piece, but if someone apparently wants to try saying like Frankie from One Piece does, aww.
Nope, don't know it.
Or
I actually don't know it. No. I haven't watched that show in a really long time.
I've actually never seen it.
I only saw a couple episodes.
Same. Don't even know any of the characters' names.
We'll have to get
So
Go ahead.
So the event will still occupy that space, and there will be the text to be displayed if the player pressed action button after the disappearance. Doing that intentionally is okay, but sometimes mistakes like this happen. Keep your eyes open. This is from the second page. This is set on Hero Touch to bark. Every single time.
Oh, it's gonna be like the dog that's upstairs from me.
And this is the gem. How about an NPC that gives you access to a lottery game? It will cost 1 gold to play. You choose a number. Then if you win, the probability almost 1%, you will get 100,000 gold. Otherwise, you lose 1 gold.
You get
Or is that
paid.
one? Or is that 100 gold?
I wasn't sure if
That
it was 100, but I think it's
'Cause it was a-
100,000.
Yeah.
Because I think America is the only country that does separation of triple digits with commas instead of periods.
Yeah. Did I know that? This is hard to make, and because many people ask how to make one, I made one myself to show you. I will explain it step by step, but first, for the ones who know what is going on, I show half of the event code here, and after this text, I will show the rest of it. Keep note of what I did. Notes. Okay, so let's explain it. First, we create a show choices command. 2 choices. Yes, why not? No thanks. So when yes, why not, means that the player decided to play. Thus, the rest of the code goes on. Using control variables, we create a variable that contains a random number from 1 to 100. We call it lottery roll. Now we set a loop.
Anyone want to pick like 3 lottery numbers before we actually do it?
27.
Okay. How about you, Meg?
57.
I said 57. I'll keep with the 7s then. I'll do 77. Alright.
Inside the loop, we display instructions for the player and we ask for a 2-digit number. We store that choice in a variable named choice. 2-digit number interface can give a 00 input. Thus, the player can set the number to 0. We have to avoid that since we need a number from 1 to 99. Or you'll break your game. That's why we use the loop. We will ask for a number forever until the player will give something different than 0.
I hate when games force me into a choice.
I told you that break loop will make sense, didn't I? Here you break out of the loop, only when the condition is true. The condition is that the variable is bigger than 0, thus not equal to. Otherwise, before the loop repeats itself, the game explains why the entry will happen again. No 0 value is allowed. Salt. Then comes the lottery result part. We created a conditional branch. If the choice is equal to lottery roll, player wins.
I think that's the
Hooray.
first time I've ever gotten anyone to tell me I'm being salty. It's a milestone for me.
That is the best emote I've ever seen. If not, too bad. The player loses 1 gold, but the player is informed what the number was, just to torture you.
Yeah.
Below that, we can see the other part of the show choice we said in the beginning. It is the no thank you case, and it just displays a message.
Watch, I'll do 27. I'll be like, no, the number was 26. And then I'll do 57. I'll say, no, the number was 27. And then I'll do 77. I'll say, no, the number was 57.
Also, we can see that on cancel, the player is realized from the event because nothing will happen. Released.
They realize, maybe.
Release! This is the show choice we used. This is the lottery roll variable set. This is the conditional branch checking out if the player entered number 0. This is the conditional branch. Oh, this is the conditional branch checking out if the player wins or loses. I thought it was the same line.
Oh my god, why did you make me read it without hitting enter? there's more
Finally,
TVs.
this is an event that uses one switch to make a lot of the other events change. Actually, it is a copy-paste event lots of times.
Our switch is many girls.
Wow.
Second page will occur when many girls switch turns on,
Oh.
changing.
So what you're saying is I need to go turn on many girls.
That is exactly what it says.
Turn on the many girls switch.
Well, that's
Changing all the girls' graphics. Try it.
All their clothes are gonna come off.
man. This
This game just got
yeah,
just
really,
got
it's
heavy.
not family friendly anymore. All right, let's see what happens.
Rated M for mature.
Around the tree, we are all the same. Tee-hee. In order to change this all, you have to avoid self switches.
Apparently, Ulrika is Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Oh, I can do that. Oh,
Wow.
a switch is many girls. Oh.
Switch is like-
See, we all change. Oh, in fact, I'm one event copy pasted. My graphic has also changed. Oh.
Wow.
You want to do Ralph Jockster?
Something happens once, then the event does not occur again.
Yeah, more. We're all talking on Skype.
I'll be here without doing anything.
Cool. A disbelief hornet.
Well, Officer Jenny's twin sister is on the map with us.
Yeah. And there's really, what's the word I want? It's really like abstract names for so many of these creatures.
Who's gonna do this guy?
Is it a guy?
That
It is a guy.
Okay.
It is a guy.
It has to be dark and mysterious.
What does he?
I talk and disappear completely. The event ceases to exist.
Nice. Does he still? I can't talk.
Oh, he's gone forever.
Yeah. Hey, seen how switches work? No? Oh, I have one switch named Super. Setting it on will change what I say when you click me again.
Super.
Switches get all the girls.
See? Now I say something else. Yeah, okay. And this guy, this is the one that disappears but still has an event, right?
Yeah.
Where's our gruff old
Super
man?
2 is my switch. I will disappear because page 2 has no graphic, but I will be there. Click again and I will talk again. Set the same level as character. I am here. I have taken over the space. You cannot enter my space. Try it. I keep on existing. I just have no graphics set.
The invitation's pretty much just open to anyone who wants to come voice act, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Wow.
All right. Hey Meg, you want to run a lottery for us?
The saucy redhead.
Well, I do have red hair.
Oh, well.
Hey, want to play a lottery game? If you win, you might earn a lot of cash. It's only 1 gold per try.
All right,
That's not
three
saucy at all.
tries.
Oh, you want saucy?
Like Tabasco sauce.
All right, let's do 27. 64
Too
was
bad. You lose. Number 64 is the winning number. You choose 27, though.
I'll try again.
Hey, want to play a lottery game? If you win, you might earn a lot of cash. It's only 1 gold per try.
That's
Yeah.
perfect.
Choose a number from 1 to 99.
All right, now we're trying. You said 57, Meg?
I said 57.
Okay, let's give it a try. Eh?
Too bad. You lose. Number 27 was the winning number. You choose 57, though.
Did I not say that was going to happen?
Wait, wait a minute. It did. Wow.